We'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you teach the difference between proper subset and power subset?
Okay, I can do that. Proper subset and normal subset.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vanna, you are asking now.
Yes, sir.
See, let me get the slides right. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, let us say we have a set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And we made a subset of this. So how many subsets can be made from this?
2 power 4, sir.
2 to the power 4 subsets can be made.
16.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So 2 to the power 4 elements can be made, subsets can be made. Like
Yes.
one of the subsets will be like containing all the elements of this. Let us say that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So B will be a subset and equal to A, right?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
B will be a subset and equal to A, and this is called superset. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If B is a subset of A and equal to A. Similarly, we can say it like this also. I wrote the same thing. We can say it like this also. Even A, now we don't know whether which one is the subset or which one is the set, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if A is a subset and equal to B, so B will be a superset of A. And we can write it conversely also. But what if I can just B contains 1 and 2, the 2 elements of A. So B is a subset of A, but not equal to A. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So B is a subset of A, but not equal to A. So this is called proper subset.
Okay, sir.
This is written by this. Any doubt there still now?
No, sir.
Everyone has come? Everyone there? There is there, Nivedita there, Ritika there,
What is proper set? Power set.
What? Pardon?
Power set.
I could not get that. Spell it out.
Power set. POWER.
Power set.
Yes, sir.
Power set. I think. Power set, I think, used to be the subset. If you make all the subsets, right? For example, if you have 1 and 2, a set of 1 and 2, and if you want to make the subsets, so subset 1 will be a subset, 2 will be a subset, collection of 1 and 2 will be a subset, and 5 will be a subset. So if you make the collections of all of them like this, so this will be a power set. That used to be earlier, like in earlier NCERTs, it used to be. Is it present in here also?
Yes, sir.
In NCERT?
I learned it.
Okay, okay, no problem. Everyone is there? Yes or no? Switch on your videos. Everybody switch on your videos. I'm asked to do that. Right. So you all write this definition of power set also. It used to be present in earlier NCERTs, but later it was removed. So power set, it is a collection of all subsets of any set. Of any set. For example, let us say A is a set. So B will be a power set of A. Okay. Power set of A can be written like this. Okay. If I'm writing the power set of A will be X such that X is a subset of A. We have to find that collection. Agree?
Yes, sir.
It is also denoted by 2 to the power A. 2 to the power A. That is called power set. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, we had done till subsets, right? Then operations on set we had to do, and then the Venn diagram. All these things are interesting. Do you find that like these subjects interesting as of now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Do you find that subjects are interesting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do we have a new student here? Somebody left. Okay. So we have union, operation of set, that is the topic. Let's write that. Operations on sets. Operation on sets. Right. First is union of sets. Now first tell me, did you all solve questions? The 3 exercises that I asked you to do. Are you sure? With no doubts? Because I'll ask questions at the end. Last 15 minutes we'll do questions. Good. So union of sets. So it is denoted by A union B. Okay. It is a set of all those elements which are either in A or B. So it should be either in A or B. Like for example, we have A as 2, 3, 4, 5 and B as 1, 6, 7, 8. So if I write A union B, that will be containing
2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
right? Understood, everyone? Easy. Sanjana, you're new here.
Yes, sir.
You joined today.
On Friday. I
Yesterday
joined.
you were there.
I wasn't there.
Okay. So how will you study that? Okay, I'll try to if you can wait 10 minutes apart from the class, then I'll try to rewind all the things that I've taught in the last class. It was just 1 hour class that we had yesterday, and I don't think we had done much. You can take the notes from your friend. I'll just revise all those things, and then you can complete and you can go on through here. Still, I can just say that we are doing sets. Sets is a collection of anything, any well-defined object is a set. So let we like write set with a capital name, capital number it should be. Yeah, sorry, alphabet, and that should be in the curly brackets. Okay, and any element in the set is separated by a comma, right? All these things were there, subsets and all those things I'll explain you later. You just work on operations on sets. So like if A set is there, okay, we have a collection of these numbers, and B set is there is a collection of these numbers. So if I'm writing A union B, union means what? Union means combination, right? You have to combine two of the sets without excluding any. Next thing is intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. That is A intersection B. This is the sign. It is the set of all elements which are common to both A and B. For example, if I have a set A 1, 3, 5, 7, I have a set B 2, 3, 7, 6. So what will be A intersection B?
3, 7.
3, 7. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood? Sanjana understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is intersection of sets. You write this? Then we'll move on to the next page.
Sir, so in union of sets, we write both set A and set B together, and intersection of set, we write the common terms in both set A and set B.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, sir.
Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait, I'll delete this. Okay. Now, there's something called disjoint set. Disjoint set. If A intersection B is phi, what does this mean? Nivedita will explain to Sanjana.
Sir, A intersection B is phi. It means there is no common element between set A and set B.
Very good. Phi means null set. That means nothing. Okay, phi is null set, nothing. So if we say that A intersection B is phi, that means A intersection B is nothing. Okay, so A intersection B is a null set. So that will be called a disjoint set. Okay, disjoint you can you can get it from the name itself that it is not jointed. Nothing is in common there. Opposite to this is intersecting sets. Intersecting sets. If A intersection B is not equals to phi, there is something common that will be called intersecting sets.
Sir, how is disjoint set represented as?
How disjoint set is represented?
Yes, sir.
There is nothing such kind of representation. You just have to get it right. You just have to write it A intersection B is phi. That means that A and B are disjoint sets.
Okay.
Okay. Any more definitions? Yeah. There is something called Difference of sets. Difference of sets. Right? What is difference of sets? So A minus B, if we are writing, okay, A is a set, B is a set. And if you are writing A minus B, that means we are making a set. We are making a set of element X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. A minus B. Right? For example, if I set A 1, 2, 3, and 6, set B 5, 7, 3, and 4. Can you tell me what is A minus B?
1, 2, 6.
1, 2, 6. And B minus A?
5, 7, 4.
5, 7, 4. Very good. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Tanushri, Akhil, understood?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Ritika, any doubt?
No, sir, I have no doubts.
Okay. So this was difference of set. Now there is something called symmetric difference of two sets. Symmetric difference of two sets. What is this? What is symmetric difference of two sets? That is defined by denoted by A delta B. Okay, and that should be A minus B union B minus A. Okay, like in the previous question, we did A minus B, B minus A. So A delta V will be what? That will be 1, 2,
5, 6,
5,
7.
6, 7. 4 is missing now. 4 here. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Sure? Good. So this is A delta B.
Sir, can you repeat the symmetric difference again?
Your sound is too low. Please speak loudly.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat the symmetric difference again?
Okay. So symmetric difference of set. Let us say that we have a set A that is defined by this. We have a set B that is defined by this. So first what we have to find? We have to find A minus B. A minus B, that means the elements that is present in A and should not be present in B. Okay, elements that are present in A but should not be present in B. Those are 1, 2, and 6. 1, 2, and 6. Similarly, we have to find B minus A. B minus means A means elements that are present in B but not present in A. Okay, so that will be this. What we have to do next? We have to make a union. Union means combination. So combinations, we have to find the combination. We just have to add all of these elements and we have to make one single set, and that will be A delta B. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do we have one more member here? Siddharth, are you there? Not able to hear you. Okay. So symmetric difference of two sets, we understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. So now we'll be going on with some large operations on sets. Okay. And yeah, that will be there. So this is quite interesting. Okay. This was a definition. Large operations on sets. So we'll just be going without any diagrams. The same thing we can do with the Venn diagram also. We'll see what is Venn diagram. You are quite familiar. If I'll tell you, you'll get to know that what is Venn diagram. Rest we'll see here. Okay. So if I say A union A union A means if we have some set A and I want to make the union of itself, so what will I get? I'll get A only, isn't it? Agree, everyone?
Yes,
I have a
yes,
set A.
sir.
I made its union. Okay. Union of itself. I'll get the same set. Okay. And A intersection A. What will it be?
A.
A. I want to find like the common between A and A. That is A only. Right? Okay. A union phi. What will that be?
A.
A.
Again A. Because A already contains phi. Right? Okay, some laws. We have to work upon it, so we'll requiring some laws. Right? Let us see that. Now if I say A union B is equals to B union A, am I correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Take any,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is commutative. Commutative. Next, if I say A intersection B should be equals to B intersection of A, it should be true or false?
True, sir.
True, everyone? Think and tell me.
True, sir.
Yes, it is true. Because you just have to take common between A or B or B or A. Whatever you take, you'll get the same thing. So it is commutative for intersection also. Right? Siddharth, I cannot hear you. You have to join with your audio and then speak. Then only I'll be able to hear you. Or you can type. If your audio voice is not working, you can type. Okay. Right. One more thing. If I'm taking the unions like this, A union B I'm taking first and then the union of C. Should that be equals to A union C and then union of B? Yes or no? Whatever you're taking, ultimately you're taking the unions, the combination of all of them. In what order you take, will that be important?
No, sir.
This is true now. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, A intersection B, intersection C should be equals to A intersection C, intersection B. Any order you take, this should be true. Right?
Sir,
Yeah.
can we write it as A intersection C into A intersection B?
This is what I've written here.
No, sir, as separately A intersection C into A intersection.
Okay, A intersection C into A intersection B.
Yes, sir.
I think that is not possible. A intersection B. We got something. Into A intersection C. Yeah, that is possible, I guess. Distributive law, we have to check, we check. Okay. So you're saying that A intersection B, this is commutative law. Now we'll check that for distributive law. That is called distributive law. If you're saying like this, A intersection, or if we can write it like this, A intersection B intersection C should be A intersection B union of A intersection C. This is what we can write. First you have to take A, not into. This is not there. You have to write union. Because first what we have to take A intersection B. Okay. Whatever we got, we have to combine with A intersection C. Now understood?
But sir, how is it union, sir? You have written it as A intersection B intersection C.
Okay. Now see here, I'll tell you. So let us take any element. X belongs to A, right? Okay. And also X belongs to B intersection C. Or let us first take in union C. X belongs to B union C. Okay. So what happens then? That means X belongs to A, X belongs to B, or X belongs to C. Right? If I'm writing union, union means or, and intersection means and, right?
Yes, sir.
Agree, everyone? So it is X belongs to A, and I'm writing here and X belongs to B or X belongs to C. So that means X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay. That is my mistake. I guess that will be correct. In this case, this should be this. Actually, this was for this. I've written this in my notes. This was for this. You were correct. So this A intersection B, union of A intersection C. Then this is for this. Or X belongs to A and X belongs to C. So this is what we have written. So if we consider that, let us take that also. So here, if we take X as common, X belongs to A and B means A intersection B, or X belongs to A intersection C. So if it is or here, X belongs to A intersection B, or for U and A intersection C. So this was for this term. I think that we can use, Nivedita. We can use for this. We'll solve some questions and we'll get to it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This was a derivation. You can write this down. They may ask this in exam. I'll check it out whether we can use that or not. I guess we should be able to use it. Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us
Yes,
try
sir.
to proceed with Nivedita's question. A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So if X belongs to A, okay, and here it says and X belongs to B and X belongs to C, right? Okay. So X belongs to A and X belongs to B, right? And then I have to write this and X belongs to A and X belongs to C. Yeah, we can write it like this. We can prove it. See here. So from there, if we take X as common, so X belongs to A and B and X belongs to A and C, right? So it will be X belongs to A intersection B, right? Intersection A intersection C. Understood? Ultimately, what we have to do, we have to take all the intersections. Got it? Okay. So let us solve some questions related to this. I had some questions. Where did that go? Question goes like this. If A is 2, 4 and this B is, sorry, it is 3, 5, like this. So you have to find A intersection B. And I want it in set builder form. How to solve this? I want the answer in set builder form. Sanjana, you can listen here. Sanjana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
By that time, I can tell you about this set builder. Where did we start with? Okay, see here. So what I said, sets are well-defined collection of objects, right? So set can be anything. That is, we have written a set A, which is a collection of months of a year, right? So all of these months are the elements of that particular set. Okay. Any set, we can write it in two form, either roster form or set builder form. So what is roster form? Here we list all the members of set, and in set builder form, we list the properties. For example, if I'm writing A as a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in another way, I'm writing A is a set of X such that X belongs to N is natural number and X is less than 8. So aren't these two pointing the same elements? Think and tell me.
Is.
Right? Both are,
Yes.
both are giving the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you tell me which one is roster and which one is set builder form?
Sir, shall I tell the answer?
Vanna, you got the answer? 1 minute. Sanjana?
Set builder form should be 1.
And roster is 2. Got it?
Yeah.
So right now I am asking about this answer. Understood what is difference between set builder and roster form?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we had some of examples, set builder and roster form. Okay, you'll get these notes. Then we sort different sets, empty set if no value is there in the set, that is called empty set. Singleton set, if only one element is there. For example, if you write the, if I give you the question like X is like this, see here. A is a set of X where X belongs to whole numbers and X is less than 1. So how many elements will you get? Only one, that is 0. Right? Are you getting it? So that is called singleton set. Then we have finite set containing finite elements, infinite sets containing infinite elements. For example, if I just write X belongs to whole numbers. So whole numbers starting from 0 extends to positive infinity now. So that contains infinite sets, infinite elements. Okay, then we have equal sets. Equal sets, if two sets have all the elements are same, each and every elements are same, then they are said to be equal. Equivalent, it does not depend that the elements are same or not. If the sets have same number of elements, then they are said to be equivalent sets. Understood?
Yes.
Let us say set A has 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B has 4, 5, 6, 7. Both of them has four elements. They are not equal, but they are equivalent. Got it?
Yes.
So this was little basics. We'll come back. Yeah, Vanna, tell me the answer.
Sir, X is such that X belongs to whole number and X is equal to or greater than 0 and lesser than 1.
1 minute. X is such that X belongs to whole number and X is less than equal to?
Greater than 0, less than 1.
Less than 1. This. No, this is wrong.
Sir, can it
Greater than 0, sir, not equal to.
Okay, just even that is wrong. Greater
Sir,
than
it is
0.
small sets.
Sir?
Nivedita, you go on.
Sir, can it be like X such that X belongs to N and 2 is less than X is less than 4?
Sir, A intersection B does not have any common element, no, sir. So it will be an insert.
It has common terms.
So 3 is common.
3, see, Nivedita, you were quite correct. Little bit mistake is there. If you can rectify it, I'll give you 1 more minute. Vanna, think again. Ritika, no answers yet? No problem. It takes time initially. When you'll learn it, when you'll practice it, you'll get to it. Okay. But still try to solve. Don't look at my face. Initially, it takes time. Then if you're solving questions, if you're solving more than one question, more than 30, 40, 50 questions at least you require per day to get it solved. And then you have to move on to the next book. One book will not do. I asked you to get R.S. Agarwal. Did you all get that? Okay, now I'll tell. Listen, everyone listen here. Everyone listen here. Switch on your videos. I cannot see you. I'm asked to keep your videos on. Otherwise, I'll get the scoldings. Okay. Now see here. We had the first equation, set A. A belongs to X such that X belongs to real numbers. Okay. And X is less than 4, greater than 2. I don't have to put equal to sign, right? Everyone? If I'm representing this, the best way is to solve by representing on the number line. Number line. So if 0 is there, I should take the 0 more somewhere. Let us take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? The best way is to solve by this. This is a set of A. Set of B represent what? Nivedita will tell me how we can write set of B.
So X such that X belongs to real numbers.
Right.
Where X is less than 5. And greater than or equal to 3.
Everyone agree with this or yes or no? Vanna, Ritika, Tanushri, Akhil, Sanjana.
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree with this? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got confused between the questions, sir. I thought I combined the question and I.
Okay, no problem. You understood this or not? Yes or no? Vanna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we can do, we can represent this on number line. If it is starting from 2 to 4, I can write it like this. See here. I'll put a circle here and I'll go on and I'll put a circle on 4. Circle means I'm not containing that number. Okay. And if I have to write X belongs to less than equals, it should be greater than equals to 3 and less than 5. So I'll write it like this. I'll put a dot, solid circle here and a dot here. So circle means, hollow circle means I'm not taking that point. Dot means I'm taking that point. Right? Now I have to find A intersection B. Intersection means common. So what is common here? See here, mark the common points. This and this is the common. Yes or no? Now tell me, this range is common that we have understood. Yes or no? Say a big yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If you have understood. Ritika, any doubt?
No, sir, I don't have doubts.
Okay. So this range is common, right? What I have to get through is whether I have to consider point 3 and 4, yes or no. Who will tell me whether I have to consider point 3 or 4, yes or no? I'll have to solve that. Do I have to consider these points 3 and 4, yes or no? First tell me, do I have to consider point 3? Is point 3 common to both of these sets, A and B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tanushri is telling yes. Vanna telling yes. I need all of the answers now. I need to explain you all. Why not responding? Don't think whether you'll be getting wrong or right. Doesn't matter. Say anything you feel. Is 3 common in both? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right, Nivedita? Any doubt? Are you not here? No. Okay. So 3 is common, both of them, because in set B also 3, the point 3 is being contained, and in set A also, this is in the range. That means it is containing it. So I'll write C, a set of A intersection B, such that it belongs to X, where X belongs to real numbers, and X should contain 3, and it should start with 3, because before 3 there is some values in X, but that is not there in B. Agree or not? So these values I cannot consider. The common ones only I can consider. And common is in this range only. So it should start from 3. Now tell me whether I should contain 4 or not. Because after 4 it is not there in B. A. After 4 it is there in B, but not in A. So I cannot consider these points. I have to take in this range only. So tell me whether I have to consider point 4, yes or no. Retika, first you answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Manna?
Yes, sir.
Akhil? What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
Nivedita? Still not here?
Sir, so should we write it as 3 less than or equal to X is less than 4?
Less than 4. That's correct, Nivedita. Because 4 was there in set B, but in set A, we did not consider it now. Got it? In set A, the 4 was left. 4 was not to be considered. Agree, Retika? Your mistake? Retika, did you get it?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Anushri, Vanna, Sanjana, everyone got it, Akhil?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
The 4 was
Yes.
not to be considered. So that's why this is the answer. Shall I give you one more question like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you tell me, A is a set of X where X belongs to real number and 4 is less than equals to X less than equals to 5, where B is X such that X belongs to real number, 7 less than X less than equals to 10. Now tell me, whoever answered it, I'll give him or her a chocolate. 4 chats I did not see. Siddharth, sorry, I'm really sorry for that. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Sir, mic काम नहीं कर रहा. Okay, Siddharth. See, actually, we have started it yesterday itself, and you have joined it today. I'm really sorry for it, Siddharth. I did not see your chat. I was focusing on teaching. So we started it yesterday. हम लोग इसको कल शुरू किए. You know Hindi? We started it yesterday, and we are in the second class right now. So I'll have to teach you a little bit so that you can get to it. So either you can wait 10 minutes after the class so that I can give you some basics, what we did in the last class, and then you can get to it, right? So you and Sanjana try to wait after the class and please get your mic repaired. Or if you can join with some other device. You have that link now? If you can join with some other device, because I need to talk to you now. I need to hear from you whether you are understanding it or not. So just wait this class to be over and then we'll explain it to you.
Sir, is it real number or a rational number?
What R?
Yes, sir.
R is real number. For Q, we denote rational number. I don't like make it right in last class.
Sir, but
Yeah.
there's a question like how many numbers are there between 4 and 5? We should write it is an infinite set, no, sir, because it has 0.1, 0.2.
Okay, you are asking like that.
Yes, sir.
We don't have to consider that. We have written the range. We have written the range. If I'm writing real number, it should be real number only.
Okay, sir.
So all the real numbers within this, you don't have to mention any point or mention any particular element.
Okay.
Siddharth, can you hear me? Is it fine with you? It's very easy question. I need the answers in just 1 minute. Okay, Siddharth. Nobody wants a chocolate. Time's up. Now I won't give you chocolate. I want to save my money. Everyone listen here. Switch on your videos and listen here. Who all made the number line? Raise your hands. I want to see that. Who all made the number line? Nobody? Nobody? Okay, Tanushree made the number line. Anyone else? Vandana? Nivedita? Ritika? Did you make the number line?
Sir, I didn't put the number line.
That is the easiest. Okay, Nivedita also made the number line. So didn't you see in the number line that the first set is being represented from here to here, 4 to 5. So it is from here to here. And second set is starting from here and ending here. That means there is no common point between that, and A intersection B is nothing but 5. You missed the chocolate. Wasn't this easy? Write this answer. I'll give you one more question, but no chocolates now. Understood or not? Yes or no, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Do you want to bang your head after this, after seeing the answer? You should apply your brain, and that should be fast. Shall we move on to the next question? Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, understood?
Yes, sir. I did.
Good. Next question. Question goes like, if A belongs to a number X, where X belongs to a real number such that X is less than equals to 3, greater than equals to 8. Sorry, opposite of that. B, X such that X belongs to R, X is less than equals to 4, and then here 7. Tell me the value of A intersection B and A union B also.
Sir, 4, 5, 6.
I don't need the elements. I need it in form of set builder form. I need a set builder form.
Sir, X is such that X belongs to R and X is greater than or equal to 4 and less than 7.
Here,
X is such that X belongs to R greater than or equal to 3, lesser than or equal to 8.
any more answers? This is wrong. Any more answers? Are you all tired?
1 minute.
Sir, in the first one, x belongs to R and x will lesser than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 8.
And here?
Sir, A union B is equal to x such that x belongs to real numbers, where x is less than or x is less than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 6.
And greater than? Pardon?
Sir, greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 6.
And A union B?
Sir, this is only A union B.
Okay, and A intersection B?
A intersection B.
Ritika, I need an answer from you also this time. Ritika, any answers?
No, sir, it's kind of confusing to me.
Think a little. Say anything. I won't scold you.
Sir, the thing that I told, isn't it for A intersection B?
I don't know. I'll check at the end. You say.
Sir, it's for A intersection B.
Okay. And then you say for A union B. Okay, let's not waste time. All these are wrong. This is correct. Nivedita, can you explain me how did you get this number 6?
Sir, I actually wrote both A and B as roster forms.
That is wrong, na. Why are you getting for a way that is not even correct and making you lengthy? I told you. One you are correct. What chocolate do you eat?
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk. Okay. Send me your address. Now see here. Okay, Nivedita, see here. Ritika, you also. Next time I want the answers from every one of you. See, A set contained number 3 and number 8. So shall I write it like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you won't get the chocolate. It should
No,
be like
sir.
this. Now yes or no?
Sir, it should be from 4.
3 containing and 8 containing. Nivedita, Ritika, Tanushi, answer yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now B should start from 4 and end at 7. Like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ritika,
Yes, sir.
Nivedita?
Yes, sir, understood.
No. What are you looking at?
Sir, I had marked it as 4.
4 and 7, it should be like this. Because we don't have to contain 7. See here. And we have to contain 4. So I'll make a solid circle at 4 and a hollow circle at 7. Now what I have to do for A intersection B, I have to mark the common points. So these are the common points from here to here. Right? So this is the common range. Now tell me, in common range, do I have to consider point 4? Yes or no?
Yes,
Should
sir.
I consider point 4 containing, like leaving or containing?
Containing.
Containing. Why? Because even set B is containing 4 and even set A is containing 4. So I'll start with containing, and at 7, will I end at like leaving point 7 or containing point 7?
Leaving.
10.7.
Leaving point 7. Why? Because A is containing point 7, but B is not containing point 7. So I'll be leaving that. It is not common in both of them. So what is my X range equals to? Now X should start from 4 and contain 4, but not contain 7. That is A intersection B. Understood everyone or not?
Understood.
Got it? Clear? And similarly, if you have to write for A union B, you have to start from the very left hand and you have to end at the very right hand containing that point. That is very easy. Union means what? Everything you have to add up. If this is coming in between, doesn't matter, it's already there. And whatever is left, even if it is there in any one of the sets, you have to add it up. So you have to start it from 3 containing and 8 containing and 8 containing. This is correct. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes,
Ritika, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I need at least 50 questions from all of you on this topic. Till here it should be 100 questions. Shall I give you homework?
Yes, sir.
One is like I would get to eat more of the chocolates, right? Nivedita, understood?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Any doubt?
No, sir. Actually, for A union B, I had written it correct, but I had told it wrong.
Okay. So try to use this method, this graphical method, this real number line method, because this is important. You need to understand everything. At this point of time, what happens now? You have to get through each and every concept, because if you start leaving now, you won't get time in the 12th. And at 12th, what you have to do? You have to revise the 12th syllabus, and plus you have to revise the 11th syllabus. And if then you started considering the concepts, that will be too late for you. So take your time to understand everything. You ask me, I'll tell you 5 times, 10 times, 100 times. I don't like, that is nothing for me. Okay. So be concise, be concentrated, and focus here in every concept. If you get the concepts, even if you forget this in future, if you'll just like open your notes at once and you'll get everything. So that should be there. Okay, if you're not getting, try to solve the questions. Answer me even incorrectly. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Done? Write one question as homework. And then we'll end here today. Question goes like, A is X such that X belongs to Z. What is Z?
Integers.
Not Z, sorry. X is equals to 3n and n belongs to Z. Okay, and B is such that, B is X such that X is equals to 4n and n belongs to Z. What you have to do, you have to find A intersection B in set builder form, not in roster form. This is your homework. Okay. Any doubt, anyone?
Yes.
Like the session?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Interesting? Found it interesting? We shall continue it. I guess we have the class in next Saturday, Sunday, right? So we'll be continuing it. Please solve questions. Okay? Solve questions. Involve yourself into the 11th and 12th, whatever subject it be. Okay, even if it is chemistry, physics, maths, because you need to clear. Getting 95-90% in boards is nothing. Okay, that should not be your target. If you have targeted JEE, you should start like working for it. Okay, you just not have to clear it out. No? You have to get into the good colleges of India, so that you get good concepts you learn there for engineering, whatever background you take, and then from there you get good placements, isn't it? So that's why you should work for good colleges, and for that you have to work for good marks. You have to feel motivated. You have to work throughout the 2 years. These 2 years are really important. Okay, forget everything you have done in class 9th, 10th, 8th, whatever it be. Right? Okay, so everybody will say that this is hard. This cannot be done. You cannot get anything in class 11th or 12th. This is very, you have to take a drop. But no, nothing is hard. Even Siddharth is saying that maths is a bit hard, but nothing is hard. You have to work upon it. You have to get through it. Okay. and you have to solve as much questions. If you solve questions, you'll get confident and then you'll find it easy. You'll get doubts. It is not like everyone is born with that Einstein mind. If you can work, there are two kinds of mind. One is already born with intelligence and another one is hardworking. If you're hardworking, you can overpower intelligence. Okay, you all remember that rabbit and that tortoise race. You should be consistent and hardworking. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Solve questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, by then, Sanjana and Siddharth can be there for a while so that I can make them revise. And if anyone there to want some kind of revision, you can stay. Rest may leave.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Siddharth, you did not get your mic corrected. Siddharth, mic ठीक नहीं हुआ. That will be a problem then. How will I know that you are understanding it or not? Okay. Sanjana, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
So I'm still again revising it.
Okay.
So set is a well-defined collection of objects. Set कुछ भी हो सकता है, anything it can be. So that you are fine with English, na?
I'll be fine with Hindi also, if
So you are fine
he's
with
there.
Hindi also? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So set is a collection of well-defined objects. Okay. What you have to do, anything, कुछ भी हम लोग set में ले सकते हैं. We can take anything as sets. Okay. Elements can be anything. For example, elements can be collection of all odd numbers. Elements can be collection of all even numbers or prime numbers. Elements can be collection of all the clothes that you have in your wardrobe. Can be anything. Okay. Can be anything, right? Now, set can be represented in two of the forms, that is roster form and set builder form. What is roster form? What is set builder form? So roster form, what we do, in roster form, we list all the elements. हम लोग सारे members को लिखते हैं. Like if you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll write all the elements there, and this is how we write the roster form. Same cheese we can write, same thing we can write as in the set builder form as some properties. What are the properties? So X, A is a set of X where X belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. Okay, all these are natural numbers and X should be less than 8. So can I get the same thing, Siddharth? Same चीज आ सकता है ऐसे लिखने से? Are you getting it? If I write this in this elemental form where I'm writing all the elements and otherwise I'm writing the properties. Uska property, so this is called set builder form and this is called the roster form. Notes you can get from your friends or you can take the screenshot if it's possible. Done?
Yes, sir.
Next, I gave some examples. Examples, I think you should have understood this. The next is empty set. Different types of set will be considering empty set. What is empty set? So empty set, if it is having no values. Okay, empty set is something that is containing no values. Okay, if for example we want to take, I want to write a natural number less than 1. Can I write it? A natural number less than 1.
0.
Huh?
It should be 0, right?
Can I write a natural number less than 1? No, 0 is not a natural number.
Oh, okay, fine. It's a whole number. Sorry.
Exactly. So that will be a null set. अगर तुम वैसा कोई set बनाते, if you make any set of that kind containing a natural number less than 1, that will be a null set. That is also called void set. Okay, that is denoted by 5. This sign. Okay, 5 means no elements. Next we have singleton set. That means only one element. Okay, rest we have finite set containing finite elements. जिसमें एक limited amount of numbers we have. Okay, like that numbers we can count. Infinite set, that means infinite elements. Okay, that means if we just want to write the let us write the element, the set containing the elements of all the whole numbers. How many numbers it will be? Sanjana?
Infinite.
Infinite. Siddharth, understanding? Any doubt till here?
No.
No, sir. Good. Right. Then we have equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal when all the elements of set A is equal to all the elements of set B. A में जितना भी element है, whatever elements are there in A, same number of elements are there in set B. So that will be same element, not number of elements. Same element should be there. Okay, if it, let us say that we have a set A as 1, 2, 3, and 4, and set B as 2, 1, 4, and 3. So all the elements of set A are equal to all the elements of set B. So A is equals to B. On the other hand, if you want to define equivalent set, so what is equivalent set? So if two sets have the same number of elements, वहाँ पे equal हो ना हो doesn't matter. If 1, 2, 3 is there in A and B contains 4, 5, 6, so A is not equals to B, but A is equivalent to B. Okay, A B के बराबर नहीं है, but A is equivalent to B. Right? That means they both are equivalent. They are not containing the same elements, but they are containing same number of elements. Agree, everyone? Is it fine
Yes.
with everyone?
Yes.
Siddharth, any doubt there? Siddharth left or what? Yeah. Okay. No problem. Then we have something called subsets. What is subset? So subset is a set that is built from the original set. Okay. For example, if you have a set A or set B, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and if I took two elements and made another set, 1 and 2, so this will be a subset of this. Understood, Sajana?
Yes.
Okay, this will be a subset of it. Subset may be found by containing all the elements. If I make another set that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, all the elements have been copied. So this will also be a subset. Got it?
Okay. Yes. Right.
So this set will be represented by B is, sorry, A na.
Yes. Subset.
A is a subset of B and equal to B also, isn't it?
Yes.
Right? On the other hand, if any subset, A, now here in this case, A is a subset of B, but not equal to B, right?
Yes.
A is a subset of B, but not equal to B. We write it like this. So that will be called a proper set. And if it is A equal to B, this is called a superset. Superset and proper set. If all of the elements are equal, so that will be a superset. If only few elements are equal, then it will be a proper set, right?
Yes.
Proper subset, basically. Proper subset. Proper subset.
Then shouldn't B and A should be an equivalent set also because it has same elements?
Equivalent set also, and these are equal sets also.
Okay, fine.
Right. So
Yes.
now, what are the properties of sets? So properties of sets include every set is a subset of itself. Okay. Every set is a subset of itself. Like, we made one set now, and we told it a subset of this. So every set is a subset. If they have given you a set 1, 2, 3, 4, now they're asking you like find a subset of it. So what you'll be doing? You'll be telling 1, 2, 3, 4 is a subset of itself. Right. Next, empty set is a subset of every set. What is empty set? So every set contains that phi element, and that is hidden because that is nothing. So everywhere it is hidden. In every set it is hidden. Even if it is here, it is hidden here, phi. Okay, we don't write that. But if they are asking you what are the elements of B, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 that you have to include. Okay.
Okay.
So if I make a set C containing no elements, that will also be a subset of B, na?
Yes.
So every set is a subset of every set. Sorry, empty set is a subset of every set. Next, the total number of subsets of set containing n elements is 2 to the power n. For example, if I have a set D containing 3 elements, 1, 2, and 3. So how many subsets will be there? 8 subsets can be found. What are they? You can just make a set of 1. You can just make a set of 2. You can just make a set of 3. Then you can make combinations 1 and 2. Then you can make combinations of 2 and 3. Then you can make all over the combination 1, 2, and 3. And then 1 is there, 5. So how many sets? 8 you made now?
Yeah.
There's something missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. Oh, 3, 1 is missing. 3, 1 or 1, 3. Now 8 of them are there.
Yes.
So directly if they're asking you if n elements are there, 2 to the power n subsets can be made. Understood?
Yes.
Good. So these are the examples that we did. if we say that we have written a set like this, 1, set of 2, set of 3, 4, set of 5. So how many elements are there? So this is considered as one element. This whole set is one element, and this whole set is one element, and this is one element. So there are 4 elements. Not these two are not considered different because they are written as a set of one element. So we can directly say A is not containing 2. A is containing a set that is containing the element 2.
Okay.
Got it? So we cannot write it like 2 is a subset of A. We can write the set of 2 is a subset of A. That is true.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
We cannot make an element 1, 2, 3, and 4 because 3 is not directly contained. We can make it like this: 1, set of 2, set of 3, 4. That is a subset of A.
Right.
Okay. And 5 is a subset of A. So 5 is a subset of A. That was the question that we did. Then we learned about open brackets and closed brackets. Do you know about this?
No, not exactly.
See, if you write something like this bracket we use. So this is open bracket. Open bracket means we don't have to consider that point. That was we were doing. That's what we were doing today. Okay. Like we had a number 2 and 4, and we are writing it like this: not containing 2, not containing 4. So I will write x belongs to 2, 4. And if you have to write something like this, 2 and 4, containing the element 2 and containing the element 4, and in between all the ranges. So x belongs to square bracket 2 and 4. That means this.
So if it is open bracket, it's only 2 and 4. If it is closed bracket, no. Okay.
If it is open bracket, it will start from 2.1 and it will end at 3.999999.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Closed bracket is only 2 and 4.
No, it is starting from 2, containing 2 and containing 4, and in between all the ranges.
Okay, sir.
This is all. Okay.
Yes.
And if it is something like this, x is starting from A, not containing A, but containing B. So it will be x greater than A, not equal to A, but less than equal to B, because at B it is a square bracket.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll represent it like this: A, B, starting from A but not containing it, and then ending at B but containing it. So in between all the numbers are there. That is not to be excluded.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
Then operation of sets, that was the end, and then we started today. So that was all. You can start solving questions. Any doubt, you can ask me in the next class, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, then bye.
Bye. Thank you.